Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Members Alert for May 2016. The Early Stage Innovation Company legislation was passed by the Senate on the 9th of May. We are currently finalising our product package on the Early Stage Innovation Company, which we'll be releasing in about a week's time. This will give you a guidance to assist people who are interested in forming companies that will qualify as an early stage innovation company. More on that later when we contact you about the product. That product will be available as part of your subscription for gold and silver subscribers. If any of our other members wish to access this product, you'll be able to subscribe to it separately if you wish for $299. Including GST, or you are able to upgrade your subscription. Please contact us for a discussion. The crowdfunding equity company legislation unfortunately was not passed by the Senate when the Houses of Parliament adjourned for the election. Hopefully the government of the day will reintroduce that legislation into the Senate as soon as Parliament reconvenes after the election. We will then finalise the crowdfunding equity product package that we've done a lot of work on, so we're hopeful that the legislation will be approved. The Business Advisory Services introduction packages have now been updated to include a training video in each of the 11 modules. So if you haven't had a look at it, please do so. Please give us some feedback as to what you think about the upgraded product. If you have some new team members joining you, why don't you ask them to participate in some special training over a 3-month period to bring themselves up to speed with the theory of why your business is involved in business advisory services. The business advisory services product packages are being upgraded to include a training video in each of them. This work will take us another 4 to 6 weeks. And when that's finished, there will be a training video for each of the individual products. Don't forget, we now have a government grant application deadline chart available on ESS BizTools. It's in the free material. So if you're just a standalone ESS BizGrant subscriber and you wish to check on the deadlines for federal, state and territory government grants, just go to www.essbiztools.com.au and click on the grant item, which is in the menu on the left hand side, and that will give you the due dates for grant applications to be lodged. We've updated our ESS Small Business webinar recordings that are available for you to view. The one of some note was the Innovation Company Capital Raising webinar that we presented a couple of weeks ago. This featured some experts: Michael Murta from Business Angels Group, Rick McAnally from Founders Forum, and Peter Miller from BizTalk. Each of these organisations, we believe, are going to play a significant role in assisting your clients who are interested in raising capital under the Early Stage Innovation Company banner. We also presented a special ESS BizGrants webinar last week, which was looking at how you would go about assisting a client to gain an accelerating commercialisation grant. This is a very important area. The application process for accelerating commercialisation is in 2 segments, and I would recommend to you that you view the webinar, which is available to you when you read the members alert, to give you an overview of how I think you should go about submitting applications for accelerating commercialisation. If you would like to refer a particular client to us for assistance in accelerating commercialisation, I'm happy to talk to you about that. We have members free webinars coming up for BizTools on the 20th of June at 12 noon. And for BizGrants on the 15th of June at 2 p.m. Please avail yourself of the free webinars to ensure that your team is keeping themselves conversant with current matters that we're discussing in these webinars. There's also free webinars for new subscribers that has been presented during the month for BIZTOOLS on the 14th of June at 12 noon and on BizGrants at the 20th of June at 2 p.m. I don't know how many of you read the article in the Australian Financial Review on the 19th of May, Rise of Machines to End Professions, written by David Susskind. An interesting article. I'm going to get the book and read it, and I might give you some comments in future editions of Members Alert as to what I think about the book. But the summary that's in the Financial Review is quite thought-provoking. If you would like a copy of the article, please contact us and we'll send it to you, or get the Financial Review for the 19th of May. We are committed to helping you as accountants to be able to deliver an outstanding range of professional services, and hopefully these services will assist you to overcome some of the issues that are outlined in this book, Rise of Machines to End Professions. And incidentally, he's not just talking about accounting profession, he's talking about a range of professions, legal, architecture, and even some of the components of medicine. Quite interesting, food for thought as to where all the professions are heading in the future. And it is really raising the issue of what other products and services should you as an accountant be providing to your clients. Until we talk again next month, have a great month, and I hope that you've through most of your tax lodgement program by this and can start really concentrating on business advisory services. Why not start processing all of your clients through the ESS BizGrants product, if you haven't already done so, of course, to see what grants are available for your clients, to assist your clients in these difficult economic times. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.